Hey. Hello.
I've got my Smurf jacket there.
What are you doing?
Mate, I don't know. I have not decided yet whether I'm doing anything, but I might do something.
What are you dressed as?
They're a banana balls man.
I wish I'd bought me some of them. That's what I need. Some of them.
His legs are invisible.
Yeah, you're floating. How does this work?
Good morning. Welcome to today's video. Today we're at Leeds Castle and we're doing some cyclocross. Well, I mean Jess is definitely doing some cyclocross. It's raining, so I'm not doing any. Chris might do some, but there's a bike race on. You hungover?
Yeah, man. I'm calm as a Smurf. Papa Smurf, Papa Smurf.
Ned Flanders.
Mate, all I can think of when you say Ned Flanders is
Nothing at all.
like nothing at all. That's Jess's rain dance.
Don't stop it then, please stop it.
She wants more rain.
Why?
She's northern.
She's badass.
She's better in the rain.
Yeah. Pub?
The race appears to have already started, Chris.
This is the old man's race. And then there's the older man's race.
Why isn't George doing this race then?
Because George is
But there's a guy who's like
Wait.
16.
Hey, that guy's cheated.
Good point actually.
Yeah.
Maybe there might be a couple of races in here. Hey, look, a Sogma Spitz
Is it
rider.
youth and vets?
My favourite song, that one. I like the bit where the drum comes in.
It's the loads of Winnie the Poohs.
How are you feeling? This is your first ever cyclocross race, right?
My brain is just like, where do I even begin to work out how to do it? So I'll just go on, see what happens.
The course looks pretty crazy.
Over there I was getting a false sense of security. I was like, oh, this looks alright.
It's a flat, and then you see this. There's like switchbacks.
Yeah, it's like an... Oh
Like
my
Stelvio.
God. Yeah. What do you think's harder, this or 1, 2, 3 times?
This. 1, 2, 3 times won't be cold.
Yeah, really good. Worked really well. Good job. You put it on your ass, Mazzo, like good quality numbers, like ready to get covered in rubbish.
I only just found out that you put the number 13 on upside down. I didn't know that. I'm learning so much.
Oh yeah, it's bad luck if you put it on the right way. You're not the only one with big trousers. Digi Davis got big trousers.
I've actually got waterproof trousers in the car as well. I just haven't put them on yet.
Oh, they're even bigger. Are you excited to watch your first cross race?
Yes,
What do you think so far?
it's interesting. I'm very hungover to be taking this one. I'm alright.
Symphony of.
Should I put that on?
Yeah, I'd give this on now.
It's tiring when riding not on a road, isn't it?
Have you done a lap yet? No.
No.
You're going to do a lap before you start?
No time.
Really?
Just looked at the
I
course.
looked at it with my eyes.
I'm not gonna
Attack from the gun.
Yeah. Go off the front. Hard.
Actually, my thoughts just now are going to go right to the back.
Yeah. She's starting down here, coming up the hill first.
Did you just Deliveroo us an umbrella?
Yeah, I did actually, yeah. I was like, oh, I wish I had an umbrella. And all of a sudden, out of nowhere, here's El Pal.
Your hands are so warm.
She's just about to start. Do you know these people? Francis,
Nice to meet you.
Daisy, El.
Hello.
Louise.
So this is cyclocross racing.
That 3, yeah.
You're going to do it next year.
How are you?
Cold. How are you?
I'm pissed off. I just snapped my rear mech up on my bike from a standing. It literally fell
shit.
over from standing. I only put one of the wheels on, turned my back, fell over, hanger straight off. That's twice in a week and a half I've snapped that fucker.
Need a new bike. Fucking cold.
So,
It is cold. You enjoying your warm up around the field?
I don't think I'm getting any warmer. I think I'm getting colder. As soon as George is out of there, I'm gonna warm myself up again.
Get
by
in.
sitting
Yeah,
in the
yeah, yeah.
car.
Just sit in the car. This is ridiculous. 5 degrees.
Yeah, my shoes are already soaked from riding to George's.
It took me 5 different times.
What are you doing?
No, just chilling, mate.
In your seat in your van?
We move in my van out of the elements.
What's your tactic going to be?
Not throw up. not fall over more than 7 times. End of tactics. How'd you like that?
6 times.
6 times. 9 Pro Plus today, obviously.
Only 9?
Only 9.
Mate, I've had a packet.
I'm going to grind them up
Snort them.
and snort them.
How was that?
Hilarious, it was fun. I fell off. I don't know if you caught it on camera.
No, I didn't get it on camera.
I was like, yeah, I could do it. And then you missed though. I developed a really good running technique, holding it like that, and I just ran, and it like drove itself round the course. It was
Got
so
like inbuilt
fast.
navigation.
Yeah. And then I just carried all that bottom bit. I carried it and ran the whole bit, and then I just cycled the top bit. I got lapped maybe twice.
You've got some. It's pretty gnarly.
Have I got something on me?
Just a bit, just a smidge.
I was getting all
Little
the
bit.
sympathy cheers.
Your face is completely clear though.
Is it?
We were hoping you'd come back with just caked in mud.
Oh, I'll try and do a face plant next time. Kids that fix my bike. I don't know if they watch this. Thank you so much.
The kids fix your bike?
Yeah, so my steering was like,
Yeah.
like that, and he was just like, put it between your knees, and I was like, what? And then he came over.
Came and did it. Why are you so far back?
Because I am going to have a lovely ride with my friends in the field.
Who's your friends?
Everyone. George.
Everyone's like,
I know, everyone's being serious. I'm just like, fuck it.
I'll be mate. No one else can.
Should we
there
just
you go,
have
you got
fun?
one friend.
I'll be mate. Mike.
Chris.
I am so happy that I'm not racing.
It's not raining at least.
It has, look, Lawrence over there as well. How do you feel now you've had a chance to recover a bit?
Good. I put like hot rub on my legs before, and it's just kicking in now.
Oh, so now you're ready to race?
So it's like throbbing, but also I realised down there's nettles, and when I fell off I was just stood in the nettles like waiting, so I think my legs are covered in nettles.
Oh no.
Here's some tea. Do you want some tea? We just offered it to Chris Hall.
He took
He
some.
nearly got some.
Did he?
He was very close. Gigi,
You'd probably rather have a
not
beer.
interested.
George ignored
George
us
wants a beer.
completely.
Complete ignore.
Yeah,
Oh,
beer.
there's a dog racing as well.
I was just on your wheel, and then you know when we went up there, there's loads of people.
Yeah, I know.
I couldn't get through.
So you have a little assistant for that, Neil?
No, one by. I've got a jet wash. Well, I say a jet wash. That's a bit of an exaggeration.
A hose.
Well, I've got like this, basically power drill. It's a jet wash. It's quite good actually.
Nice work, mate. That was a great race.
Hello.
You look like a mess, mate. Oh, did you crash?
No, I just had a little.
He peed himself.
I slid my way around a corner sideways. I glided.
Damn.
A lovely Sunday afternoon in the sunshine.
Yeah, it was in the end.
I had a great time.
It's almost like it's never rained.
I got offered a cookie. I got offered a cup of tea.
Isn't it lovely now?
How was it?
That's all right, mate. I was having a nice conversation with a couple of riders.
Neil won, and
Yeah.
he has a beard, and you have a beard, so technically you won as well.
See, until he starts telling you otherwise or his lies, I beat him in a race again.
Chris.
Chris Hall. Huh? Oh, there he is. There he is. There's pretty
I know.
He's a good dog.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do it.
George, do you need a new fridge, mate?
I don't need it, but it's not to say I don't want it. Don't get inside of it. There's things in there.
Which will be protected from nuclear.
There's things in there. That's cockroaches.
What? Get inside a cockroach in your saying?
Yeah, it's a giant cockroach costume. Cockroach costume.